Hello friends, hope you all are doing good. In this video, we will learn to create 5-step infographic. So let's get started. We will first open new slide, go to view, select guides. Now we will go to insert, shapes. We will select a hollow circle by selecting Ctrl and Shift. We will make it shape outline, no outline. We will just decrease the thickness, make it shape format 1.75. We will align the center and align middle. Now we will create 4 more copies of this by pressing Ctrl D. We will select all the shapes by pressing Ctrl key, and we will go to alignment tool. We will distribute horizontally and we will do distribute vertically, so it is completely distributed properly. We will now fill color in all these hollow circles. So we will select a color from here, copy. We will paste it here the palette. We will select this, right shift, format shape, solid fill, eyedropper, and we will select this shape. Second one, again we will select an eyedropper and select this shape. Again we'll go and do an eyedropper for the third shape. Select this shape, eyedropper, select this color. Select this shape, eyedropper, and select this color. Again we will select this shape, eyedropper, and we will select this shape. We will now create the inner effect. So this effect we will create in the circle. So we will select all the 5 hollow circles by pressing Ctrl key, right click, format object. We'll go to effects, shadows, and we will select inner top left, and we will select this distance to 14. So you can see we have got this effect. We will now select the background. So we will right click, format background, solid fill, and we will select this blue color. Now we will go to view and we will remove the guides. So we have got the effect. Now we will start adding the icons and the text and the numbering. So we will copy all of these. So you can get these icons and other by selecting insert and going to icon. Text title, please enter here text. You can do it by inserting and selecting the text box. So just to save time, I'm not doing it right now. So I will Control V here. So I will align all this properly. Also we have got a small shadow effect on the icons as well. So we will select all the icons, we go to shadow and we will select outer right and we will do a distance of, so you can see a small shadow effect is also available. So I'll just copy this and we will delete the palette. So let us now see in the slideshow mode. So it is all properly aligned, so you can see these effects which has come up. So I hope you like this video. Please do like, share and comment. Thank you so much for your time.